Yeah, mount towards the heel and stay there and check what happened on your quads, on your calf. Is there any weight on the knee right now? When you have done like that, do you feel any pressure on your knee? Not at all? Good. Now from here, both hands on the waist, take the feet apart. Left to the left, right to the right, and give at least 3.5 feet gap. 3 to 3.5 feet gap, that legs are comfortably open. Alright, bring the left foot inward 15 degree. Bend the right knee 45 degree angle, bring the right foot out 90 degree. Heel is in line with the arch of the left foot. Now maintain your arches there. Straighten the leg. Straight the right leg. Check the micro band is there who are hyperextended. And pull the kneecap up. Roll the right thigh out. Roll the left thigh out. Now palm facing the ground. Feel the left heel. Feel the right heel. Feel the right quad. Feel the left quad. Buttocks down. Shoulder blade rolling down and lifting up. From the heart up. Now take the right hand up. Stretch from the armpit area. Turn the stomach to the left a little. Then lengthening the spine and go down there. Keep the quad active. You are gently pulling the kneecap up. Breathe. Stay here. So breathe. Heart to the top of the head, back of the knee in line with the tailbone. Your back of the head has to be in line with the tailbone. Alright, press the back leg. The back leg is the foundation, outer side of the left foot is the base. Engage the left thigh quad and then come up. Don't lose the contact with the left thigh and then come up. So it will be easy. Stay here, breathe. Turn the right foot in 15 degrees. Right foot in 15 degree, 15 degree, slightly. Then turn the left foot out 90 degree. Rolling from the hip joint out, but right thigh stay externally rotated outside as much as possible. Now pay attention to the right heel, pay attention to the left heel. Check the back of knee who are hyperextended. Micro bend or pull the kneecap up, straighten the leg a little. And engage your quad proper here and let me know, is it okay for you or do you feel any pressure? Is it okay here? Lift this up. Quad. Now take the left hand up. Lengthen the side of the body. Turn your tummy gently to the right. So feel the right thigh now. Lengthening the spine as somebody is pulling you forward. Cut from the hip joint, left hip joint and go down there. Check your left thigh, it must be rolling out. Rolling out. Yes, you got it now, my dear. Very good. Left thigh is rolling out, but you are not losing the contact with your left big mount. Left toe big mount is firm, but the quad is rolling out, so external rotation is happening on the left thigh. Good, that's good. Pay attention to the right heel. The weight is on the right heel firm. In the center of the right heel. And there is a front leg weight, center of the left heel. Good. Check your breath. Breathing. Good. Now, press the right foot back and lengthen the spine and come up here. Good. Alright, turn the left foot in. Take the feet closer, Tadasana. Close your eyes. Pay attention inside. How you feel after the pose inside. Look into it, observe it. No need to say it, you just observe it. Observation is happening, only observation. Just only observation happening, that's it. Observe. I will not use a language that observe there. I will say that observation is happening. That's it. Alright. Slowly open your eyes.